I don't really like hair bands. That's my problem. So I thought he was using silly bands that whole time. You know, hairspray ain't gonna give you a fucking bigger hard on, dude. Ain't gonna make your hard on harder. The hell is running through your mind? You want some Play-Doh on that pancake? Let me just go slingshot some Legos through the air, because it might have a faint effect. That's you. That's you. You know what I'm doing here? I'm not afraid. I'm just not afraid. Okay? Hulk Hogan, you know? Now you're dead press. What I'm afraid of is Mick Jagger getting in my face. He's loud. He's obnoxious. Here I am, in place of my arm. This man's my guide.
But I'm bad. But I'm bad in the place of my arm, Nate. That's the problem. How would you like to have a carry? How would you like to have a little backpack at all times? Think about it, dude. And then there's a living creature. Oh, by the way,
I have a tendency to eat meat. Manifesto! What do I do there? Whoa. I didn't mean to be esoteric and frivolous. Incognito. I'm gonna crawl back in here. Just gonna go right back there. Basically, it's just this whole thing.
oh, the fuck does she go? I swear to God, she's aware. So look at that picture of the wall. She's always trying to make me understand. Because that was exactly what she was talking about. She was talking about the whole time about that being. Well, it doesn't matter. No. Come on, you can't put your back in, nah. Put your back in. Apparently, that's all stuff. That's all and then, that's about 5 o'clock. That's about 5 o'clock. Oh, surprise! Lazy surprise! The powers about the stickers on myself. That's really looking at something. But you're ready. I don't mean to be away. I know, mate. The love in this guy, Bob, is it's hard basketball. Hard basketball. Okay. Perfect. Now I have no more customers. I had one customer. Great. And they took all my books. I know what to do. And you always know what to do right in the morning. But let's just make toast every time instead. With a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. And butter so it sticks. Just a little bit. In the morning, truly. It's right there that you can't reach. Yes, it's right there. Stop. never conjoined. We're just twins. We were never conjoined. And we bought all the same books right out of the catalog. And some of the CDs too. We got Freeze Frame Reality, Absurd, Bad Cops, Banned from Television, A Violent World. I walked in the corner store the other day and I said, most of this stuff ain't that bad. Hello. What's up, Plata? I'm trying to help you. I'm trying. That's looking like Aftermath to me. I thought that was a time lapse distortion, something going on here that I had. Because that felt like about 3, 5, 8 or 9 minutes there. Oh, push that out now.
Nah. From my point of view, that's really fine.
Cause it's a little favorite thing, cause that's just, so usually I should just have to put those little thing back in the oh, she was so Betty. She was Legos Nick surgery with those easiest Legos. Right on my knees. 2 drawers. Right here in my knees. Now that's a fucking, this is at the time of me. Someone giving me honor.
Nah.
Now you, who the fuck you putting that salt in there?
It was a mistake. Okay? Nobody's perfect.
Something else today. Something else. Hey, next time on the episode,
We're gonna explain the yo-yo caper. The yo-yo caper.
we're gonna tell you about Alton Eagle. He looks that high.